Mustard seeds have been cultivated for nearly 5,000 years. They're considered to have a variety of health benefits, due to their low calorie, good nutritional value, and antibacterial and antiseptic properties. They come in a variety of flavors, including black mustard, white mustard, and brown Indian mustard, and can be purchased whole or powdered. In this video, I'll be going through some of the health benefits of mustard seeds and why you should include it in your diet. Before we get into it, be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, so you won't miss out on our future uploads. 1. Lowers high cholesterol levels. Because of people's busy and hectic schedules, high cholesterol levels are no longer a big issue. Because of the everyday stress that we all face, high cholesterol levels and the complications that come with them are very normal. You can use the benefits of mustard to get the relief you need from your high cholesterol issues. Mustard and cholesterol are connected, because mustard is an easy but effective treatment for high cholesterol. The antioxidants in mustard assist the body in quickly recovering from the issue of high cholesterol and achieving the desired results. The positive link between mustard and cholesterol has also been confirmed by most health experts. 2. Improves your cardiovascular health. Mustard oil is one of the most common cooking oils, because it can help people who are suffering from cardiovascular problems. You can get the same benefits from mustard seeds as you can from mustard oil when it comes to treating cardiovascular diseases. Mustard's antibacterial and cardioprotective properties have been shown to help prevent the growth of bacteria and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Mustard seeds are commonly used to reduce the risk of heart attacks. 3. Prevents psoriasis. Psoriasis is a chronic inflammatory autoimmune disease that triggers a rapid buildup of dead skin cells, and mustard seeds have been used to treat psoriasis-related inflammation and wounds. Psoriasis is becoming more prevalent every day, as a result of people's unbalanced schedules and poor eating habits. If you are not equipped with the necessary preventative measures, the treatment of this disease will take a long time. According to studies, mustard seed medicine increases the movement of healthy enzymes, such as superoxide dismutase, glutathione peroxidase, and catalase, which aid in the defense and treatment of a variety of illnesses, including psoriasis. However, before beginning to eat mustards for your issues, it is a good idea to check with your doctor. 4. Promotes digestion. If you're having digestive problems, mustard seeds will help you get immediate relief. The high amount of fiber in mustard contributes to the health benefits of mustard constipation. Mustard should be used in your everyday meals on a regular basis to help with digestion. They strengthen the body's bowel movements, and, as a result, the body's digestive strength. You will increase the body's metabolism as well as the advantages of mustard constipation. 5. Provides respiratory relief. One of the most important applications of mustard seeds is their potential to provide the necessary relief in respiratory problems. You may depend on the benefits of consuming mustard for any trouble you might have with the normal functioning of your respiratory system. The properties of mustard have been linked to improved respiratory health. Mustard seeds' antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties are essential in the treatment of respiratory problems. To get the desired benefits for the issue, you can add some mustard seeds to all of your meals or drink a tablespoon of ground mustard seeds with warm water in the morning. 6. Prevents diabetes. If you have diabetes, the health benefits of yellow mustard will help you manage it. Yellow mustard has been found to be very effective in lowering blood sugar levels to a significant amount, thereby providing the necessary relief from the issue of diabetes, according to numerous studies. So, if you're wondering if mustard is good for diabetes, the answer is yes. You can begin by consuming a spoonful of finely powdered mustard with a glass of warm water. You can improve the benefits by mixing honey with mustard seed powder. 7. Aids in detoxification. Apart from the fact that mustard is ideal for weight loss, dry mustard can also be used to detoxify the body. The numerous antioxidants in mustard aid in the removal of harmful and unwanted contaminants from the body, thereby purifying it. The antioxidants in mustard interact with the high fiber content to strengthen the body, allowing it to quickly eliminate toxins. This is only one of the many health benefits of yellow mustard. In addition, mustard can be used to reduce inflammation if you experience any issues during your body's detoxification. 8. Treats menopause. You may use mustard seeds for treating menopause, because they contain antioxidants, and have anti-inflammatory properties. Mustard is high in nutrients such as iron, magnesium, copper, and selenium, which not only help to lower blood pressure, but also treat the symptoms of menopause. This is one of the most important benefits of mustard for women experiencing extreme menopause symptoms. You will get the optimal mustard health benefits for menopause by including mustard in your diet on a regular basis, and depending on mustard supplements. 9. Hydrates and protects skin. No matter what season it is, we all understand the importance of hydrating our skin. While using a variety of ingredients to hydrate the skin does not always get the nutrients it needs to stay hydrated. This is where you can use mustard's hydrating properties to help your skin. The numerous antioxidants contained in mustard seeds eliminate all impurities from the skin, thus protecting it from potential problems. Additionally, mustard's anti-inflammatory effects can be used to reduce discomfort and inflammation when using it. To hydrate your face and skin, combine some mustard seeds with aloe vera gel, and add it to your face and skin. This is one of the most important mustard skin advantages. 10. Prevents cancer. One of the main health benefits that mustard provides to its consumers is its efficacy in the treatment of cancer. The fact that many health professionals already advocate the use of mustard cancer as a treatment can be used to evaluate its efficacy. Include mustard seeds in your meal preparations, and watch as they work their magic on cancer-causing body cells. Mustard includes glucosinolates and myrosinase, two compounds that aid in the treatment of cancer-causing cells in the body. You will not only lower the cancer risk, but also treat current cancer symptoms by eating mustard seeds on a regular basis. Well, there you have it. Hope you find this video helpful. How did you benefit from mustard seeds? Tell me in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Here are some other videos you might like. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health-related content.